Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to attach the outcomes that we uploaded into our Canvas course in the last video into our actual new quizzes. So from your homepage, you're going to go ahead and find your quizzes. And from here, you can either create a new quiz if that's what you want, or if you have one that's already been built, you can go ahead and click on that one. So since I've been working on these videos together, I'm going to click on this Outcomes Quiz for video. Now, when I click on this, it's going to take me to my normal page where I fill out the information, assign it to who I want to assign it to, all those good things. And then we're going to hit build. That's the most important part. Outcomes cannot be added to classic quizzes, only your new quizzes. Okay, so there's two ways that you can add outcomes. If this particular quiz is only covering one specific standard or one specific concept, what you can do is in the top right, you can click on outcomes. And from the outcomes here, you can click on browse and add outcomes by clicking here. And this is going to pull up all of the outcomes that you added previously to this course. Now again, this section right here is if you're going to have the same outcome for the entire quiz. So what you would do is you would decide what class you're going to do. I'm going to select my Algebra 1, click down, and I'm going to go to this category. And inside of this category, I'm going to explain to you what these look like. Okay, so this is going to say Math, MA. If you're doing a different subject, you'll have different letters here. The grade level, 8, 9. Algebra 1, and then it's going to show you this is 12B. Okay, so it's not the full TEK, but that's kind of how it explains it to you. It's also got all of the information down below here, so if you're trying to actually read what the TEK is, you have that option. Okay, so I'm going to just select this one, hit confirm alignments, and now it's going to show that I have that TEK at the very top of this, and that TEK is going to spiral down through the entire quiz. Okay, so that's how that outcome would work. If you save it on here, you cannot remove that outcome. So make sure that's the one that you want before you hit save. I'm going to go ahead and delete this overall one just so I can show you the individual pieces without skewing the data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the individual question. And so question number 1 here, I'm going to click on the pencil to edit. Now, when I scroll down here, there's a spot. So again, here's the question editing. We're just scrolling down past the options to the align to outcomes. Now notice I already have one attached here. I'm going to delete that real quick, and now it's gone. So then, just like we did up top, I'm going to click on the browse and add outcomes by clicking here. It takes us to the exact same page. The only difference is now, instead of attaching it to the entire quiz, I'm attaching this outcome to this specific question. Okay, so let's go down to my next question. We'll do the same thing. I'm going to click the pencil. From the pencil to edit, oops, we're going to do align to outcomes. Click your add outcome. I'm just deleting, so it's blank again. Click on whatever grade I want, find the TEK that I'm looking for, select on it, select it, confirm alignment. Okay, so let's say we're doing another blank question. So instead of having a pre-made question, I'm going to add a new one. For this one, I'm going to just make it an essay question, enter question prompt. I'm just going to put test. Here are my options. Align to outcomes. See, I have no outcomes aligned yet. I'm going to click on this, browse, find what I'm looking for, scroll through them, select what I want, confirm alignment, and there you've just added that outcome to it. So in this video, I've showed you how to align outcomes to your Canvas new quizzes. In the next video, I'm going to show you what that data looks like after you've done it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your digital learning specialist. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have about adding outcomes to your new quizzes.